TON is the only blockchain connected to Telegram with 1 billion users. So it's all about the power of distribution. Back to the distribution power, with 1 billion users inside Telegram, TON just opens it up. Everything that you want to do, you never have to leave the app. You never have to go to an app store. Everything that you do is literally right inside your app.
To your point, it's people are soon going to be leveraging these new and emerging cutting edge blockchain technologies and not have any realization that they're interacting with them.
The reason we only just came to the US last year is because we're compliant and completely being regulatory compliant across the board.
What's going on, family and friends? We are here at ETHDenver, an official ETHDenver side event, and I've got the one and only Angela Brasington, the US hub lead at TON Foundation, also a very cutting-edge blockchain, which we're going to dive into. So, Angela, thanks for joining me. How you doing today?
Great, thank you. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. So let's talk about TON blockchain and what brings you here to ETHDenver.
Well, ETHDenver is for builders, and we are all about bringing the builders on to TON. TON is the only blockchain connected to Telegram with 1 billion users. So it's all about the power of distribution.
What is it about Telegram that captivated the team's attention at TON?
Well, Telegram has so many users, millions and millions of users. So we want to showcase the power of a super app that you can just build. You can open up apps all without ever leaving the app, without ever leaving Telegram. So for a builder angle, thinking about building a game or any sort of app, all your users are already right there, right in your pocket. You can send money through text message. You can monetize with stores and gifts. And there's no algorithm gating your content like other social platforms. So it's a really unique and powerful tool in that way.
My wheels are cooking right now. So can we talk about the relationship between TON blockchain, TON Foundation, and Telegram? Is it a blockchain dedicated to Telegram? Do you mind sharing?
So Telegram is the messenger app, and then TON you can think of as the rails on top of the messenger app. So everything that it powers, TON powers Telegram to be able to be more than just a messenger app.
Does that position you guys much more competitively than other chains that are walking around ETHDenver?
I believe it does, yes. Back to the distribution power, with 1 billion users inside Telegram, TON just opens it up. Everything that you want to do, you never have to leave the app. You never have to go to an app store. Everything that you do is literally right inside your app.
You know, Telegram kind of hits home for me, particularly during COVID when the world was shut down. A lot of the communications or communities were evolving through these various platforms and new and emerging social media outlets. And so Telegram was always something that I thought was very interesting, being able to communicate with anyone around the world. But what I think is interesting now is when you call somebody, it's going through your main phone line and all that fun stuff. Do you mind talking about what you think the forward-looking path for Telegram, TON, and what's getting you most excited? Land has always been one of the most dependable ways to build and protect wealth. And now Liquidacre is bringing that timeliness stability into the modern digital era. Liquidacre's mission is simple: make real estate investment accessible, opening opportunities that were once out of reach for most people. Liquidacre introduces non-fungible acres, NFAs, digital representations of surveyed land recorded fully on chain. Each NFA is tied to real property and allows multiple participants to hold fractional exposure to the same asset. And this is not land that sits still. NFAs can include developed acreage with infrastructure such as waste-to-energy systems, solar, water improvements, and other enhancements that can increase the land's functional and economic value. Beyond that, Liquidacre is building the world's first global crypto-to-land brokerage, creating a seamless path between fiat, crypto, and land, all through one unified platform. Their upcoming Liquidacre marketplace will feature transparent asset views, dashboards, and performance tools, giving investors clarity and control over their land-linked digital positions. Finally, at the heart of it all, Liquidacre is making a real-world difference, bringing improvements to various regions by enabling individuals to gain access to essential resources and a path to financial prosperity. This way, they're not just building another digital future, but creating a positive impact in the communities they serve and touch. If you believe in tokenization, real-world assets, and expanding access to wealth-building opportunities, then Liquidacre is building exactly where we all want the world to head to. So stay up to date on Liquidacre's marketplace launch, upcoming announcements, and industry developments. Scan the QR code on the screen or click the link in the comments and descriptions below. Thanks for tuning in. Love you mucho.
Liquidacre. I think what's getting me most excited is just how easy and seamless everything is. When I think about blockchain, I've been in this industry for 10 years. It's clunky, it's hard to use, it's hard to understand. This makes it very easy because in the Web 2 frame of mind, where everybody is used to just opening up an app and using a messenger service, this has blockchain added right in seamlessly and invisibly. That is the key. When you open up your Telegram app and you click on your settings, you see your wallet right there. You don't have to download, you don't have to save seed phrases. It's the easiest thing that I have ever seen. And really, for this to be moving forward, for this to be easily attainable for builders, for users, for creators, we need it to be invisible.
To your point, it's people are soon going to be leveraging these new and emerging cutting edge blockchain technologies and not have any realization that they're interacting with them. So, and what you just mentioned about the wallet, the ability to monetize your platform, me as a creator, seeing how you can now charge members to participate in your community. I think it's just brilliant. Before I let you go, because I know that you're very busy, you should be up here on stage at ETHDenver. I don't know why. Are you gonna be on stage at ETHDenver talking at all?
This week, I have a back-to-back scheduled meetings and a lot of interviews. We're doing a new content clip series for the US Hub, and we're doing a lot of this recording. So speaking behind the scenes.
Boom, boom, boom. And last before I let you go, any big initiatives or plans, forward-looking milestones that you are most excited about at TON?
Yes, we are incorporating our new university series ourselves, which is why we're here at ETHDenver this week. We are going to Cornell Tech next week, followed by Princeton University after. And the whole deal is to educate everybody on what is going on under the hood with TON and Telegram.
Question, a growing theme that we're hearing is stable coins, regulations. This market is hardening. As we see the proliferation of stable coins and regulations, the Genius Act, we just saw this, the Genius Act to pave the way for the stable coins, but the market infrastructure bill, what is that going to do for TON and how is that going to impact your business domestically?
Well, as we try to blanket the US and really gain awareness and attract new users in the US, everything about regulations, like the reason we only just came to the US last year is because we're compliant and completely being regulatory compliant across the board. So what that will do is allow these builders that want to build on TON and inside Telegram to do it freely, safely, and compliant, which is what we support and encourage.
For those that want to help build and support you from the builder space, what's the best way for those to participate in the TON ecosystem?
I would first go to TON Builders, and you can go to ton.org and find out all about us. Definitely follow TON US Hub on Telegram. We'll be keeping you abreast of everything, the new programs we have going on, new opportunities we have going on, and everything else. And also on X, of course, TON US and TON Blockchain. See you there.
Wow. Well, this is a very exciting interview. Thank you so much, Angela.